Welcome back with one more video clip. It is 5 minutes clips FMC. Today's topic is type of air conditioning equipment or air conditioner used in various application. This topic is coming under HVAC. Let us check, and these four types are available everywhere. Most of the time we have seen or we are using in our house. You can see first one is the central. If you are going for shopping mall, theaters, etc., it is. And next one is the room, and the split type we are using for our household and normal applications. And ductless mini split, it is very difficult, high cost. You can see 4S are available, it indicating that it have a maximum price. And the evaporative coolers are normal type 1, very simple, and this concept also very small and simple to understand. I will take lecture separately for these evaporative coolers, right? First three things are very much important, but within these three, first two are very important because various applications are covered by these two, and we have more wanted for these two, right? See the cost. First one is 3S, so high cost. This is normal. 1S only available because we are using it for our house application or minimum number of usages only, right? It is portable compared to this one, right? This is cost is high because lifetime also high. It going to handle maximum load as compared to this one. We will go window air conditioner. Most of the our process cabin was cooled by this type of air conditioner only. As you can see in the mechanical department also, you can outside you can see some window air conditioners are placed, right? Simply it going to occupy this space in the window. Because of that only it containing the name window air conditioner, and by using that shape we are going to place one air conditioner, so it's going to perform the cooling actions. These are all the parts available in the air conditioner. First one is the cover. Inside that only we are having that our instruments, and it can having four parts, compressor, condenser, evaporator, and expansion valve, evaporator. Then that's it. These are all the cycles. If you want to see it deeply, you can go to any waste product collection shop. Then you can see the cross section, or else we can go to backside of our civil department or mechanical department. If any wastage is available, we can see. And this is for normal room, for not for the very big sizes. Okay, it may be hold for 10 peoples, not more than that. And split type of air conditioner, most of our house we are using this type of air conditioner only. It containing two units, that's what is calling split air conditioner. And one unit will be in outside, that called outer unit, and inner side inside of our room we are having one more, that the inside unit, right? That's indoor unit. Okay, so all the coolings and other things will be performed by the outdoor unit. Only the cooled things will be passed through this duct, and it will be forced airs will be conducted through these ducts. Later we will getting cooled air in our room. It is for normal applications, not for else. And this various companies are producing Blue Star, Daikin, O General, right? And Samsung, LG, etc., etc. And these are all things. If you want, you can take 1 to 4 outputs, or else 2 to 3 outputs. If you want, you can take. For that we have to put a big outdoor unit. Simply you can't take it from your normal things. We call that 1.5 DAN capacity, 1 DAN capacity plus something, right? These are all the indications how much load that can be taken. This workload calculation may be taken by the Professor Anmesh. You can contact him. And packed air conditioner, what is packed air conditioner? We assume that we are having our house, these are all the ducts. Previously you can see what are the ducts and how they are placing, right? So one is going, another one is return, right? So cold air is going and it is supplying to all the rooms, and it is coming back. That exhaust or used air, it is collected from the return duct. You can see the bottom side, it was collected and it is going to packaged system. Everything is packed over here, right? There is one thermostat is nothing but to measure the temperature changes, whether according to the temperature it will run or it will hold the air conditioning unit for some time. If you need, you can preset some temperature so that up to that it will not act. If the temperature is exceeding, it will automatically switch on and it will start producing the cooling effect, right? And working of packed air conditioning for cross section view, I have shown you there is 1 2 3 inputs, there is one output, and similarly 1 2 3 input, here also one output. And you can see the applications of ducts. Similar type of construction is available in our NIT Patna's incubation center, right? They have one floor. After that they are making this type of works. If you want, you can go and see this thing, right? If you want previous diagram, it was in bottom, here it is in top side. According to your convenience, you can place, that's it. And central air conditioner, most of the times we are using this one only because it can handle the change in load. Previously, you know this thing, because in this room how many people are occupied, here how many people are occupied, here how many people are occupied, it is predefined, right? If you want, you can close this system, you can run over here only, right? But some place like shopping mall, we can't predict the crowd, sudden change of loads are available. In order to handle that type of load, we need something big, that is central air conditioner. So similar diagram, we are putting compressor outside because compressor will make more sound. So from that only it will start. Here the cooling coil, these cooling coils are available in the indoor unit of our split air conditioner. Okay, so the compressed air will be fan here using, so velocity, increasing velocity, we are using fan. It will be touch and it will absorb the cooling from the cooling coils, and the cooled airs will be passed through everywhere. If you seen the duct design very carefully, I have made this. First one is 315 diameter, 250 and 200 diameter something. So then only it will give uniform flow or uniform pressure velocity throughout the cabins, maybe room number 1 2 3, right? Here also we are using thermostat to identify what is our temperature, what is the supplying temperature, what is the deviation, whether it is necessary to make more cooling or not. This thermostat is always attaching over here. I am telling previous topic in that we have seen where we have to place the sensors. You cannot simply place the sensor over here, because whatever the air is coming here, it's always cooled. We should know what is the output temperature. According to that only we have to make the changes in the input. For that only this sensor is placed nearer to output, not in front of fan, side of the output. This is written at duct. Okay, so these are all the another symbolic diagrams. We should start from A. A is nothing but the evaporator, where we are going to put the load. Then it's a blower. Blower is nothing but going to push the air, right? And it will push the air or suck the air, both things we are using. And it will go to the condenser. Condenser, you know that cooling action is going to take place. Then it will go to the compressor. Then fan is going to cool down the condenser and push the airs, right? Filters we need, if you need to filter any flying ash, moisture content, bacteria, virus, etc., that we can use. The another part is thermostat. You know what is the usage of thermostat. And another one is portable air conditioning. Yes, nowadays everything is very portable, including the mobiles and CD, DVD, ROM, computer systems, etc., etc., etc. And so that in that list we are making some portable air conditioner. A portable is a very simple and small one, as like our air coolers. Only thing is we have to close the windows and other things. You can see in the windows shield itself we can put, and we can do the adjustment like this. So what is the workload and other capacity? It is what very simple and very less load condition only we can use, right? Mobile portable means mobility, so you can go to anywhere and you can place this thing. You can feel free to utilize this thing in anywhere. It will help you a lot. And hybrid air conditioner, yes, available some heat pumps arrangements with different type of energy sources. Also hybrid arrangements are available. One more topic we have to see about air around cooling system or heating system, that I will explain in a separate slide, nothing to worry. And these are all the some standard and portable arrangement system that you can see over here, right? We are talking about the hybrid system. You can see solar energy is taken and that energy is converted to run the AC. This see, you can see, if you are not believing this muddy diagram, and you can see it's a practical example how they are utilizing this bobber. And you can see portable system for upside and the sliders and casement windows, etc., etc. Simply, if you want, you can close this window and you will get the switch on the machine, you will get the cooling effect, right? 100% solar action. You can see 4 or 5 solar panels are placed and their measurements are going to the controller. Later it go to the battery. From that, power is stabilized, then it will go to the rectifier or amplifier or so called, whatever it may be, according to the input we need it for run the AC. Then it will be supplied to the AC, and then we will get the cooling effects. Thanks for watching.